Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Boxycharm BoxyLuxe. This is my very first one. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received my very first BoxyLuxe and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on this. Last year when I was doing Boxycharm, right before I quit, or I canceled, I was going to get my very first BoxyLuxe when they first started it, but I canceled my subscription, so I never received one. Now that I'm resubscribed, I went ahead and selected to get this and I started now this month. They took me off their wait list and now I am a part of BoxyLuxe. So BoxyLuxe is quarterly, so every 3 months they'll charge you your normal $25 for the normal box, but then they'll charge you an additional $24.95 for that 1 month, and that's when you get this bad boy. So I was charged an additional $24.99 to my 3 month that I already prepaid for. So this is my very first BoxyLuxe, you guys. This is so cool. So technically this box is $49.99, and I think you're supposed to have like over $300 worth of value. So I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and cut the tape and get inside this bad boy and see what is all in my first BoxyLuxe. Okay, so let's see. Whoa, okay. There is a card. And that's what it looks like when you first open her up. And does it go over everything? Yes. So it goes over everything on the back of this. And this is this month's card. So I'm just going to start pulling things out. I'm so excited. Okay, so the very first item that I'm pulling out is IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo, but I will definitely pass this along to somebody who will. This is valued at $27. Holy moly, that's a lot for a dry shampoo. This is a big guy. This looks like a spray can, like spray paint can. And it says a powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp with oil erasing, odor eliminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes. So there's that guy. The second thing is Rituals, and this is a foaming shower gel, organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Ooh, I can't wait to try that out. And this is valued at $9.50. Give your skin the gift of a new beginning with this foaming shower gel from Rituals. Featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk, it uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a slight, soft, cleansing foam. Lather up. Ooh, let's see. Let's see. Oh, whoa. Holy moly. Whoa, whoa. a little too much. It comes out very liquidy. I don't know if you caught that before it foamed up. It does smell really good, but it came out very like watery. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to come out like a shaving cream or a mousse or anything like that. I was not. It smells very good though. I was not expecting that. So there's item number 2. Okay, so the next thing is QMS, and this is a lip line corrector, lip serum. Ooh, okay. This guy here is wait, did they add an extra 0? This is $200. Was this really supposed to be $200? $200? Holy moly, are you made of gold? What are you made out of? Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. $200? Holy moly. Oh, you turn it. $200. I don't even want to test this without using it. Okay. So it looks kind of like a little milky consistency. Wow. It has a nice slight fresh cleaning scent to it. $200. Holy moly. Whoa. All right. So that's a lot of money. All right. So now we got some bubble wrap, some more styrofoam, and okay, so now we have Ciate London Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. So there's this guy. This right here says that it is $26. Add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated with Taulic, this lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. $26 for this guy. This is a good brand, so that's awesome. And it's called Dusk. And then the front of it, you see my camera or my phone. And then when you open, ooh, that looks kind of like a baked blush. There's that. And let's swatch her. And there it is right there. A nice little blush, that's nice. So there we have that. Then we have is a Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkly Gloss. And this is in the color Pretty Penny. So I wonder if it's gonna be goldish color. Maybe I can use it as a lip topper over other things if it is. Yes, it is. It is gold. So I could definitely use this as a lip topper, but let's see here. It is very gold. Oh, it smells really good. Yes, it smells really good, but it is like a goldish shine to it. You know your girl doesn't like gold, but I already swatched it, so it's not too bad. It's just like a nice little lip gloss with a little goldish color to it. So that's actually really nice. So I have that, and it smells really good. It smells really good. And the Too Faced, that is $21. Okay, so next we have a Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And I hear that her eyeliners are supposed to be really, really good. So I'm actually excited to get this. Even though I have a lot of liquid eyeliner and I normally don't use liquid eyeliner, I'm really excited to get this because then I can actually try it out and see. So here's the actual packaging. And this says Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. This is valued at $20. So here's the tip. It looks like it's like, it's like bristles. It's like bristles. They're like literally little bristles instead of like a tip that are on most of them. So there we go. We have that. I'm excited to definitely play around with that one day. So we have that. So the next item we have in here is a Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. That sounds interesting. And this guy here is $39. All right, well, let's get you out and see what you are. Sounds nice. So there's the packaging, that's very pretty. There's the front of it. And then when you open her up, I like how it has this little pull tab because a lot of them are so hard to get off. Ooh, and this is filled to the brim. I don't really have a scent picking up, but there is that. It looks really nice. And I hope it feels really nice of putting it on your skin. But this is valued at $39. I really, really like the Bliss. The Bliss one, it's a blue packaging, but it's like a water-based type thing like this. Can't remember off the top of my head what it's called, but I use it all the time and I bought probably, I'm on my third one now. I really, really like that. So this looks like it would be the same consistency. So I'm excited to try this one out. So there's that guy. And then, oh, and I'm so sorry. I have version number 15. It says 15. I don't know if you're going to pick up on that, but I have version number 15. So there's that. Then we have is Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. So we have a, ooh, that's a big cleanser right there. So this is a soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. This is valued at $48. Holy moly. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, subtle skin. I'm so excited to try that because if it takes off mascara too, then that's awesome because that's like my pet peeve when it doesn't take off my mascara. Okay, and the last thing in here is, oh, this is the eyeshadow palette. Look, it looks literally like a book. Look how thick that is. What? I mean, it's gonna take up the size of probably 3 palettes in my arsenal, but this is super, super cute. Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. Look how cute, you guys. And this is $55. So this alone, just this alone, is more than this entire box, and you get all of this stuff. What? Okay, so there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. That's once upon a time. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Whoa, that is beautiful. When you open her up, there's a mirror, there's some pretty flowers, and there are the colors. That is really, really pretty. And this is good for like any time of year pretty much, because you have some blues, you have some burgundies, you have some browns. It looks like you might have like a coral and then pinkish. Oop, that pan looks like it's sticking out. Push you back in there. Oh, there we go. There's a silver. I mean, those are really, really pretty colors, you guys. So, ooh, that's so pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch this really quick for you. Okay, you guys, so here is the entire palette, and it went on so nice and creamy and smooth. I'm so excited to try this out and actually play with it on my face. This is so nice. And this is such a unique packaging. Yes, it is a little thick, a little excessive, but they're trying to make it like a storybook, so I get it. But this is just so cute. I really, really like this. So that is everything we got in the BoxyLuxe, you guys. We got this really cool palette right about there. We have this water cream that I cannot wait to try out. We have the So Fresh and So Clean cleanser. We have the body wash, the dry shampoo, this $200 eye or mouth serum. We have the Kat Von D liner. We have the Ciate London blush, and we have the Too Faced liquid lip product, which doesn't look very gold. So I'm actually glad that I put it on. So that is everything that came in my very first BoxyLuxe, you guys. I'm actually really, really impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and add up everything and put that down right about here. This will be the grand total for everything that is valued in my box. And again, it was $49.95 for this. I won't see this again for another 3 months when it debuts for its next quarter. So I'm so excited to see what that is. I know you're supposed to be able to pick an item. I don't know if I missed the email to pick my item or what happened, but this box, I never got an email notification or anything. So when I logged into my account, there was nothing there to choose. So I'm not sure what happened. But I didn't get to choose this product this time, and I got version number 15. So go ahead and comment down below, you guys. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Let me know, do you get Boxycharm? Have you got BoxyLuxe before? This is my first, and I think this is an amazing first BoxyLuxe box. Way better than the Ipsy Ultimate. I have to say that, and I have to throw that out there. So I canceled the Ipsy Ultimate because after 2 months, it just wasn't that good. This is actually really, really good. I'm so excited to have all of these products, and I can't wait to start trying them out. So that is everything, you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.